Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you the top 5 Unturned maps to play in 2025. Number 1 is Escalation. It was released just last year. It has an emphasis on makeshift weapons, you can craft rocket launchers, grenade launchers and more. The loot is well spread so you can find good gear almost anywhere. It features expanded map areas beyond GPS. You can build bases in bunkers, caves, underwater, islands or mountains. It has one of the most intense boss fights in the game which drops all the best loot. It has multiple dead zones with tiered loot. For example, RMS platform requires a keycard to access the boss fight. It includes a unique airdrop module event where the whole server can compete. This map is great for both single player and multiplayer, and there's tons of Easter eggs like an LDG poster hidden in game. Number 2 is A6 Polaris. It's challenging for new players, it requires grinding, farming and lots of tools. Base building progression is tough but it's rewarding. I'm not a fan of every quest, but the barter quest is excellent. You can trade items like dog tags for high tier gear or scrap. It's a massive map so there's tons of freedom to build anywhere. There's several epic dead zones, and progression is fun with key hunts, rocket launchers and souls required to unlock certain areas. Number 3 is Elva. This is one of the most fun maps I've ever played. Progression is easy. You mainly need lotuses, which you can farm from trucks or horde beacons. There's base building freedom, underground sewers, igloos, barns, towns, or even hidden islands off the GPS chart. Quest lines are some of the best, especially the main storyline quests. The dead zone includes a boss fight at the bottom with both guns and crafting materials as rewards. This one is great for beginners and very PvP heavy on servers. Number 4, Russia. This is one of the first large official maps ever released and still one of the best. It's classic progression. Start at the bottom of the map and work your way up to north for better loot. It's got split path progression. One side leads to military zones and the other to civilian/city zones, but both rewarding. It's introduced some of the first endgame quests like the Shadow Stalker MK2 and the Fighter Jet quests. Dead zones include Silo 22 and an unmarked zone, both highly rewarding. Number 5, I don't know how to pronounce this one, but it's an underrated gem. It's a large map with easy progression. Fighting for items like gas masks and plastic is enjoyable. The questline is long but extremely fun, with cool animations. It's got a huge, well-designed dead zone, and it's got unique weapons like the Galvanizer and pile-based ammo which make raiding exciting. Fishing is also rewarding and very fun, and it's been recently updated with new content. The only downside is not many servers host Kuwait, but hopefully that changes soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!